Hi guys, welcome to my channel Mishakal Me. Hope you all are doing well, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create these super easy foam board photo frames. These photo frames are super easy to create and you can stick them to your walls with no nails required. It's going to be a chatty DIY video, so let's begin. Things that you require for this are a foam board, or it's called a thermocol board, or in Arabic it's called a filine. So I've already cut them in the desired size required using a cutter, and these are the codes that I'll be using to create these photo frames. I have already cut them as per the desired size again. The other materials that you would require would be a scale. I'll be using this stencil as a scale because I couldn't find my scale. And the next would be a Modge Podge or a glue stick to stick in those coats to the foam board, a painting brush to spread the glue, and a cutter to cut the foam board. I'll be using this magazine underneath to cut the foam board. Take the foam board, apply some glue and apply the coat onto it like so. So this word believe. There is a saying that goes, working hard is important, but there is something that even matters more, that is believing in yourselves. So even if the people around us believe in us, but there are sometimes, we get so negative that we don't believe in ourselves. So when God created us, He gave us equal talents. It is we who need to take a step towards ourselves by believing that we can do something. So guys, don't forget to believe in yourself and work towards your passion. The next quote here is family, being loved no matter what. So guys, these days, many people are more behind materialistic things, money, etc., but then don't give importance to their family. So family, I would say specifically your mother, father, or brothers or sisters are those people who will be with you no matter what situation you're in, whether you're rich, you're poor, if you're financially fit or not. They will love you no matter what. So don't forget to give that love back to your family, spend more time with them and love them with all your heart. So the next quote is, if you can stay positive in a negative situation, you win. So tell me, which person can stay positive in a negative situation, because every situation is different and we don't know what people are going through. So but whatever situation you're in, remember God will make it pass, but you have to put your best foot forward by staying positive. Every dark night passes and a brighter day appears, so the bad situation goes and a brighter and a better future or a better situation will occur. So always stay positive. I don't have time to worry about who doesn't like me. I'm too busy loving the people who love me. So personally, it took quite a bit to remove the toxic or the poisonous people out of my life, because whatever you do, it won't satisfy them, and I truly started believing that you can't keep everyone happy. So love the people who love you, and I wouldn't say hate the people who hate you, but ignore them. That is the best medicine. Ignore. And the next quote is, you're beautiful and nobody has the right to make you feel you're not. So this is the most important of all, because we are in a tech savvy and a social media craze. There are so many people out there who try and compare themselves with all the perfect people on the social media, not knowing what is the actual fact. So everyone that God has created are beautiful. Outer beauty is very important. But what about inner beauty? Having a beautiful face and an ugly inside is not good. So Marilyn Monroe here is an epitome of beauty. So I would say, yes, you need to enhance your outer beauty, but also remember, it is you who will define what beauty is according to you, because the definition of beauty is different to different people. So don't let others put you down. Embrace what you are, and that is beautiful. So always remember, you are beautiful no matter what color you belong to. Always remember, Don't allow others to judge you based on your color or any etc etc. Just tell them I look beautiful through my eyes, and that's what matters. So now back to the tutorial. So if after sticking the coat, if you can see the extra foam board there, you can use a cutter and cut that out with the help of a scale. Be sure that you have clean edges when you cut the excess foam board. You can use your printed photographs to create this DIY. I have just used quotes because I just wanted some positive quotes to do a chatty video. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did creating this for you. And you can use a double-ended foam tape to stick these frames to your wall, because no nail required video, if you remember. I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to comment, like and subscribe to my channel Mushakil Me. And guys, please show some love to these videos, and don't forget what I mentioned. Believe in yourself. You are beautiful. Family is important. And don't forget to like my Facebook and Instagram page and follow me there. But guys, subscribe to my channel. Keep smiling. Remember that you're beautiful. Until next time, bye.